How to see downloaded files in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see downloaded files in Telegram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is not actually opening up your Telegram. You don't really need to open up your Telegram. Just make sure that you've downloaded Telegram, logged into your account, and then you've downloaded something. After doing that, to find the files where your downloads are actually stored, you will need to head over to the Files app on your mobile phone. So simply open up your Files app, and after you open up your Files app, you should head over to On My iPhone or the Browse section on the bottom right. Now head over to the search bar and simply search for Telegram. After you search for Telegram, you should find its folder. So if you don't find it, you can search it up right here. Again, let me search for Telegram here. And after you search for Telegram, you should find a folder called Telegram right here. I'm not finding it for some reason. So let me just head over to the recent section and search for Telegram right there. It's right there. Open up Telegram and there you go. There you have your downloaded files in Telegram. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.